Hey Empresses, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I achieved this Gabrielle Union styled lace closure wig. A client sent in a picture requesting the look with a side part. So in the video I'll be showing you a step-by-step of how I achieved the look. So I know you're probably wondering why is she using curly hair when she's gonna have to straighten it, but the client specifically requested to use loose deep hair. The hair that I use I got from Bodacious bundles by Bubbs. I used a 14-inch closure and 12-inch wefts. So somehow I managed to lose the footage of me straightening the hair, but you all guys know how to straighten hair, right? So I then went in and began to trim up the ends to give it that non-blunt look, but blunt if you know what I'm trying to say. I then began to style it with some flat iron curls to achieve the look that Gabrielle Union was wearing in the picture. And voila, there we go, the final product. I did go in and pluck the side part as the client requested, but overall I feel like this looks like the look Gabrielle Union was wearing in her video. What do you guys think? Leave a comment in the comment section below. But that's all for now, guys. Thanks for taking the time out to watch. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to keep up with more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.